Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok beauty mode not working on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all open TikTok app and then click on profile. Now here click on this option icon or at the top and then click on settings and privacy. Now here scroll down and in support and about section click on report a problem and here scroll down and click on videos and sounds. Now here click on other and here click on no and then click on need more help and then write this in the report: beauty mode is not working on iPhone, please fix this issue, and then click on submit. Now your report is submitted and TikTok will fix this issue by themselves. And the second solution of this problem is open App Store. Now here search TikTok and from here if your TikTok app is not updated, then update your TikTok app. So after updating, TikTok app will start working properly and beauty mode will start working. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.